What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to unbind your scooter from your old account here. It's actually pretty simple. Currently it's connected to my Ninebot account, so now you will see how easily you can disconnect it. So firstly, open Segway mobility app on your phone. You will see your scooter, it's actually connected. And pretty simple actions: go to the settings, scroll down and click unbind the vehicle. So after this it gives you some instruction, click unbind. Then you need to enter 4 digits of your email. Let me enter it now. After this, you click unbind here. I'll not show you my email. You should confirm that you unbind. That's it. Actually, it's unbound, so the scooter is not an app here. And if you want to connect it, you just click again, search and connect. Find your scooter. Connecting. Press the power button, and again you can click bind, and then it will be binded to your device and it will be attached to your email and you can use it freely and no one can connect it to their device.